Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Verano. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, rear window defroster, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar communication system, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, leather-wrapped steering wheel, auto express down window. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.